I got some new mods finally. Today we're going to be painting the branch guard brackets from Valkyrie Off-Road and the new light bar brackets from Valkyrie Off-Road alongside with their branch guard holes and light bar holes. Alright, to do this you're going to need paper towels, acetone, preferably Rust-Oleum for me, I've always used, and Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. I am using the professional grade. Stops fade, chip, and impact resistant. Textured, non-skid finish. Paint and primer in one. Stops rust black. And what is a Valkyrie Off-Road video without boom, the Valkyrie Off-Road ladder? That's right. We're going to paint this today, and tomorrow we'll be doing the installation of it. And I'll be doing a very detailed walkthrough video of it for anyone who has questions about it. Alright, again, hope y'all enjoy, and let's get to painting. What's up, guys? Am I recording? Sure am. Can't tell with the sun, it's too bright. Alright, so to start off, I'll put you a little acetone on here. Because this is bare metal, you don't want to paint directly to bare metal. You want to make sure you just kind of clean it off, and that's going to help the paint adhere a lot better than if it was just straight bare. Alright. Get the sides. Alright. And it's as simple as that. All you're doing, flip around to the other side. Let's dip some more of this on there. Like I said, all you're doing is you're just rubbing it along it. And what this is doing is it's taking off all the excess to the bare metal and cleaning it up and getting it ready for painting. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do these as well. And I'll get back to you guys when we start painting. Alright guys, so now we're ready. I cut the shipping box for the ladder open, and I'm going to use this as a platform to spray on. That way I don't get paint everywhere. And I'm going to do just easy coats on one side, and then I will make sure I get those thoroughly coated. I want to do several light coats. That way I get the best possible coating I can get out of it. Alright. And you want to make sure you get everything. Because if you don't, once rust starts, it's just going to keep spreading. Now this paint helps prevent rust, but it will not stop rust if you do not cover every piece of metal with the paint. Alright? So I'm going to go and get that painted, and